Yeah, I thought I'd do it a little bit different this time from my normal stuff. You know, mix it up a little bit, you know what I mean? So I thought I'd just show you all the spec and around the box without doing any talking. So we have instructions. USB to USB Type-C connection, and that will be for perhaps charging her up. Yeah. Up to 35 hours working. First impressions, is that plastic? I think it is. Hang on. It smells like plastic. So I'm guessing this will work left or right ears, I'm guessing. Because it goes all the way over. See that? So me personally, I'll probably have it something like that. Maybe right here. Oh, is it adjustable? Oh yeah. Oh, just on one side. Yeah. No? Yeah. Thought that was adjustable then. So you have a little headrest there for one side of your head, depending on whether you're left or right head. Bit of padding there. Looks okay. I wasn't expecting it to be fantastic anyway. Adjustments there for, well, for different size heads. How's that look? Yeah? And I'm trying to take that down a bit. Is it comfortable? Feels okay? Yeah? What do you think? Huh? Hello, hello, hello. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So we have on-off button, yeah, or switch. It's actually a switch. What is that? That is your Bluetooth connectivity, I think, or it could be mic. I can't actually read it. I'll have to take a photograph. USB Type-C for powering it up, or charging it up. Plus and a minus for your volume adjustment, and a function button. And that will probably do things like answer the phone, stuff like that. So what I'm going to do now is, oh, and that's bendable, of course. Yeah. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge her up, have a quick read of the instructions, and we are going to use the onboard microphone. Give me a second.
The next morning.
She's all charged up, and I've realised now I can't actually use the onboard microphone yet because I haven't paired it with nothing. So we're going to do that right now. And also, that's the mute button, in case you needed to know, because I didn't know what it was, and I can see it now. So turn her on. To get a blue light, it should go red and blue like that, and we're looking for, I think it's called BT something 100. So we're looking for a device like that. Paired devices, no, it'd be under available devices. Do a refresh. See what comes up. And there it is, JBT 100. Yeah, click on that. Pairing should take seconds really. Allow, make sure you allow it because you won't be able to answer phones and things like that. Now then, the microphone has built-in noise reduction, and it should be, from what I've seen, it should be pretty good, but we would give it a test. So that is now fully charged up. So what I'm going to do is I am going to well, actually, I'll tell you what, now I've shown you how to connect it, I'm going to unconnect it from my phone and connect it to my PC, yeah? And we can do audio test, see how good a quality the audio is, so that you can hear how good or bad this is, okay? Won't be able to answer the phone though, not through my computer anyway, as far as I know. Give me a second. Right, I now have it plugged into my PC, and hopefully you can hear the audio nice and clearly, because I haven't actually listened to it yet myself, like you said, hopefully. So the only adjustments I might do is I might have to reduce the volume, it might be too loud, or it might be too quiet, so I'll increase the volume. But that is the only adjustments I'm actually going to do, just to get a nice level, so not blaring out of your ears. So what I'm going to do now is, before I ever listen to it, is I'm going to play some music, and I'm going to do it on my phone, because originally I was going to play it on my PC, but it comes through there, and I'm going to tell you what the audio sounds like as well through the actual headset. So we need to get files out. I need to get some audio playing in the background, because it's got noise cancellation built in, so it should block out some audio. Turn it up. So you should be able to hear that. Whether or not it's interfering, I don't know, because I haven't listened. But I've got that quite loud because, like I said, wanted to see how good it actually works. And looking at that, keep quiet for a second. That looks pretty good. It is picking up a little bit, but overall, that looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. Let's pause that. Yeah, that was pretty good. Now then, I am going to listen to some music on my PC. This is copyright free from YouTube. It's not. Don't like it, man. Swimming lessons. Does seem a bit strange listening to music in just in one ear. Nice bit of bass. Oh yeah, turn it down a bit. That's better. It's a bit loud. Turn it up. Easy to do, and you can hear it clicking as well. Oh, you can hear that. Can you hear that when I'm clicking? Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a listen to the actual audio, and like I said, I will adjust the volume up or down depending, and just level it off. Okay, that's the only adjustments I'm going to do. So give me a second. Right, I've had a good listen to the audio, and yeah, nice and clear. There's a nice bit of bass in there as well, if you like a bit of bass. Yeah, but nice and clear, easy to adjust, like I showed you earlier. I'll put it on the other side, for, you know, just to make it a little bit different. And yeah, just to prove that I am actually using the onboard mic. Yeah, hear that? Yeah. Now, in the actual photos, and they even have a video on Amazon showing you how you could use it. They're showing you someone driving a vehicle, and I think, well, I'm not sure if that's legal or not. So something to bear in mind if you're thinking about using something like this, and you're going to be using it in a car, make sure it's legal to do it, because I don't want you getting into trouble. Okay? So yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up for the amount of money it costs. It's not expensive. It's quite comfortable actually. I was expecting this bit to be, you know, a little bit uncomfortable, but yeah, it seems to be fine. Nicely padded. It's not a great lot of padding on there, but doesn't seem to be hurting my head, which again I was quite impressed with actually, and seems to fit on my ear quite comfortably as well. So not sure about sweatness, because the most I've had it on was about an hour, so I can't really tell you if it's going to make your ears sweat, but it feels comfortable. It does everything you want it to do. It's great for if you want to talk to someone either on your phone and you want to wear this while you're out and about. They do claim it can do quite a lot of hours. I think 30 hours, I think something like that. Didn't seem to take long for charging up, but I left it overnight anyway just to make sure. Connectivity again was very easy to do. Had no issues with that whatsoever, as you see in my video. And I've got it plugged in or connected to my PC at the moment, and it's working fine. Yeah, so it definitely gets my thumbs up. If you're looking for something like this, maybe you're one of them telly type of things, you know, or you know, you do work in a office somewhere and you need to talk to customers on the phone, this might be perfect. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. Oh, and check out the link in the video description as well.